In this video, I'll show you how to create a Booking.com account step by step. This is a quick and easy tutorial, so let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Booking.com. Once you're on the website, look at the top of the screen and click on Register. Now you can choose how you want to sign up. You can create an account using your email address or sign up with Google, Apple, or Facebook. In this example, select Continue with Email. Enter your email address and click the blue Continue with Email button. Booking.com will then send a verification code to your email. Check your inbox, enter the code on the screen, and click Verify Email. Once verified, your Booking.com account is officially created. You'll now get access to discounts, promotions, and Booking's Genius program, which offers benefits like discounts on stays, rental cars, and flight alerts. Click OK to close the pop-up and you're ready to go. You can manage your account by clicking on your profile at the top and selecting My Account. And that's it. Your Booking.com account is ready to use for booking hotels, flights, and more. If this helped, please like the video and subscribe for more quick tutorials.